special here in Daytona today. So, one of our Super 6 questions, which of these drivers will have the best finish today?
If you want to stall, come back to the top. So 2 back to the top, 1 back and have a shove up top.
This pair stays together at the front.
It did not take them long to find the front.
And fourth on the inside, not Smoke Johnson, that's Jimmy Johnson. 7-time champ, 2-time Daytona 500 winner in the 80-point, part-time schedule, back in NASCAR. Let's listen in on Travis Pastrana and company.
Hey boys, we're really doing it. We're in the Daytona 500. Catalina wine mixture, let's go.
Mike have decided the Daytona 500 in history. We've gone to 11 overtimes before it's been decided. Looking forward to the finish here.
I'm fairly certain he could go across the Lake Lloyd and walk across it. Not swim across it, walk across it.
38 lead changes now. First little breakaway of the race.
Stacked up on the inside, not at all. Here comes Stenhouse. Big shove by Larson. Where's he going to go? They're both going to get to him pretty hard, pretty quick.
All right, Stenhouse gets the
23 solid him out.
leaders in this Daytona 500. 38 lead changes now.
Doesn't have a lot of experience in these cars, but it's the last lap. You have to go for
So
it.
I ain't gonna do a burnout. I ain't got no fuel.
Hey, bud, you don't need any more.
How about that?